everyone, my name is Jennifer Keller. I'm a student at the University of Regina. I'm completing my kinesiology degree with a major in human kinetics. I completed my fieldwork experience at Alpha Physical Rehabilitation and Health Center in Regina, Saskatchewan. Alpha Center is a multidisciplinary clinic, and its goal is to rehabilitate injuries so individuals can live a functional and healthy life. Alpha is a primary clinic which works largely with workplace or motor vehicle accidents, as well as various musculoskeletal and sports-related injuries. During my experience, I was fortunate to work with a large variety of injuries and conditions. For my special project, I decided to focus on improving clients' range of motion and functional use of the injured site after noticing this was a common issue. During my first few weeks at Alpha, I had the opportunity to learn about functional range conditioning through online lectures, which uses movement techniques to improve range of motion while increasing the ability to use the reacquired range. I decided to use these techniques with clients to determine if they indeed worked and would make a meaningful difference. I began this project by creating a handbook that could be used after I'm gone, which contained potential exercise methods for various body parts using the PALS-RAIL system. This stands for Progressive Angular Isometric Loading, followed by Regressive Angular Isometric Loading. I've used this in conjunction with controlled articular rotations, otherwise known as CARs, to treat injuries. From an assessment of an individual with back pain, I identified they had limited movement in their hips. The same was observed in a shoulder injury with limited arm movement. I therefore created a program that incorporated CARs into a home exercise program and PALS and rails into their exercises at the clinic. I would assess each week their range of motion. At the beginning and end of the program, I assessed their subjective view of function and pain using the Matheson scale. The same assessment method was used on various other client injuries. The results have been positive, indicating their movement and function has improved. However, the individual's chronic back pain still persists, and the other client's shoulders showed significant benefit. The rest of the clients showed improved function and range, but not reduced pain. Before this project, the clinic was lacking exercises and strategies that not only targets muscles but also neurological response. Functional range conditioning fills this void. This therapy also provides a wide range of exercises that can easily be adapted to suit the client. From this project, I've had the opportunity to achieve many different aspects of my learning objectives, specifically assessments, program development, and exercise adaptation. I've developed a greater knowledge about injuries, physiological responses to exercise, as well as how to critically look at a problem or injury to determine a strategy of how to fix it. Completing this project has given me a greater knowledge of shoulder, back, wrist, and ankle injuries. I've also developed a greater skill for instructing, progressing, and adapting exercises. I appreciate this project as it has given me a practical application of the knowledge I've gained from my degree, as well as a real-world experience that I can use going forward.